So one in this video, I will share with you that how you can change the sending from country in Remitly. So first of all, when you are logged into your account, you just click over here and go to the settings option. So once you're in the settings option of Remitly, just click on profile information over here and scroll down to the very bottom end. You see that there is an option of sending from and sending to. You can always edit and change the sending to option over here, but you can only change the sending from option before you make any transaction, but you cannot change it directly if you have already made any transaction. So how you can change it if you haven't made any transaction? So for that, you will see there is an option of English right here in my Remitly account, because I have already made a transaction. But if you haven't made any transaction, then you will see an option of United States over here, or any other country from where you have made the account. So you can directly change it from here. But let's say if you have already made a transaction, then how you can change it? Just click on this button over here and you will land on this page where they have a complete guide on how you can change it. So you can see that here is an option of FAQ, where is how do I change my sending country. So you can see that here is a clear description that how you can change it. So first of all, if you are in the app, you can see that you first need to go to the manage option and then click on select profile, and from there you can click on sending from section, and you will see an option of edit over there. And in the edit option, you can then choose the country you want to send the money from, and then click on save, and this will save your sending country. But if you are in the browser, then what you can do is you can open the country selection drop down menu in the upper right corner. As I shown that you will see an option over here, and once you do this, then you can choose the country from there and then click on save, and it will automatically. But if you have already sent a transfer with Remitly, the process is a bit more complicated and you need to follow the steps in over here. You see that the first step is you need to close your profile and then join Remitly and follow the prompt to sign up your profile. So you can see that you cannot change it directly, but you can create a new profile, and from there you can change the country. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing to the